In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove or disable Reels on the Facebook app. If your Facebook feed feels crowded with Reels and you prefer to see less of them, there are a few built-in options you can use to reduce how often they appear. While Facebook does not currently offer a single master switch to completely turn off Reels for everyone, you can still take practical steps to hide them and improve your feed experience. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the home feed, look for a reel you don't want to see. When you find one, tap the three dots in the corner of that reel. This opens a menu with content controls. From here, choose Hide Reel or Show Less, depending on which option appears on your version of the app. This tells Facebook that you're not interested in that type of content, and over time it can help reduce similar reels in your feed. If you keep seeing unwanted reels, repeat this on multiple videos so the app gets a clearer signal about your preferences. Another useful method is to customize your feed settings. To do that, tap the menu icon in the Facebook app, then go to Settings and Privacy, and after that, Open Feed. In this section, you can adjust things like favorites, unfollow, or reconnect. These settings help shape what appears in your feed by prioritizing people and pages you care about and reducing content from sources you don't want to see as often. This won't directly remove every reel, but it can make your overall feed much more relevant and less cluttered. You also have another simple option. Use the Feeds tab instead of the main home feed. The home feed often includes recommended content, which can mean more reels. The Feeds tab is usually a better choice if you want a cleaner view focused more on posts from your friends, pages, and groups. In many cases, this means fewer recommended reels showing up while you browse. So, if your goal is to cut down on reels in the Facebook app, the best approach is to hide individual reels, update your feed preferences, and spend more time browsing through the Feeds tab. Using these tools together can make a noticeable difference and help you get a more personalized Facebook experience.